Hello and welcome. I'm Mr. Seth. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to change password, how to change username, and how to log in into your router, Wi-Fi, WakaNet easily without typing router IP address. Just easy way. So as you see here, I have already connected on this WakaNet router. So go on Play Store and search for IDT Network. This application is gonna help us to log in into WakaNet without typing anything in browser. So scroll up here in right corner, click and scroll down to router. Here router login finder, click on it, wait for ads. That is ads. After ads we continue. Let us wait for ads in a few seconds. That is ads. Then as you see the ad still, but click here, it will direct you to Play Store. Then click on back button one time. Wait, yes, click here, back button one time. That is how to manage ads. Go back, go, yes, as you see, then click click there and log in here. Scroll down to blue button which is open router login page. Click on it. You will be directed to detected router IP address without typing anything. As you see, then click here on login. So you're gonna learn how to change user and password, username and password for Wi-Fi, for WakaNet, for MiFi, for Wi-Fi, and so on, for MiFi. So admin, that is public to enter into IP router address. Then login. And scroll down here. Let me try to zoom for you. See here down, scroll to security mode and what you see here, MTN WakaNet C46 what, then delete it, put your own undername, but your own username, but remember to put underscore mobile repairing service. Maybe this will be too long. Underscore. Then enter your password. Don't change security mode. Let me try to make short name. Let me try to put short. Let me direct services, mobile repairing. Yeah, then put your password. Always remember to use a strong password. Let me use a strong password. Let me hide. Don't see my password. Display password. No. You must always remember to hide your password when you are online. Then here you see a yellow button say apply. We're gonna click apply. After click on it, immediately this Wi-Fi will be disconnected. Apply here. You see notification saying all connected device will be disconnected. Even this one which have access will be disconnected. So we must log in again. So as you see, Wi-Fi is already disconnected here, not still working. So we're gonna log in with that new password. As you see, username has been changed from WakaNet to mobile repairing. So enter that new password. And if you forgot password, we can help you to reset password. Even our previous video, and next you shall learn how to reset Wi-Fi WakaNet WiFi password. As you see, getting IP address connected. Already is connected. Let us test through YouTube. You see, is connected. Let us open YouTube and search for IGT Tech. IGT Tech and Tech College is our channel. You can even visit our website www.igttechcollege. So as you see, this is IGT and Tech College. View channel, subscribe, click notification bell. We have too much video, 310 video, which teaches you how to repair mobile phone, software, hardware, smartphone, future phones, everything. You see, that is how to use multimeter. Especially this channel is for technicians and those with IT skills. So as you see, you have too many videos. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button there so that you may be notified when new video uploaded. Remember to download our application is IGT Network, which is for managing network. Thank you.